everyone! It's the letter C. C is for computer. Wow! Look, everyone! It's the letter E. E is for elephant. Today we are learning about the letter F. Can you say F with me? F is for flamingo. Look, everyone, it's the letter G. G is for games and also for good morning. Today we are looking at the letter I. I is for ice cream. Look at that! A giant J just appeared on the screen. I wonder what game we're gonna play now. Maybe Jumping Castle? Wow! Look at this colorful K! Who knows what starts with K? Look, everyone! It's the letter M. M is for muddy puddles. I love muddy puddles. Wow, check out this big letter N. It's so colorful. N is for, that's right, noodle. Are you ready to learn about the letter O? O is for onion and also for orange. You know what this letter is? It's the letter Q. And Q is for questions, like, what's your favorite color? Wowie, look at that! It's the letter R. R is for rainbow, or maybe even rocket. Ta-da! It's the letter S. Doesn't it look like a snake slithering along? Let's trace it together. O-T! Today we are learning about the letter U. Can you say U with me? U is for umbrella. Wow! Look, everyone! It's the letter V. Isn't that super? Wow! Look at that big W. Wackadoo! Why is the letter Y so important? Let's find out. And here is the final letter, Z. We've learned the whole alphabet. Great job, everyone!
The giant friendly letter C. Isn't it swell? D. Hi, everyone. Today, we're looking at this marvelous letter E. Isn't that just super? Look, everyone. It's the letter F. F is for friends and fun. Can you say F with me? Look, everyone, today we have the most glorious letter of all, the letter G. G is for goofy, and goodness gracious, it's great. Looky here, folks. Today we're focusing on this big letter I. It's a very important letter. Gosh, look, everyone, it's the letter J. Hot dog. And here it is, the amazing, colorful letter K. Isn't it keen? L. the super letter N. Can you say N with me? And here it is, kids, the sensational, stupendous letter O. Oh boy!
This is the letter Q. Can you say Q with me? Q is for Queen.
Hey everybody, check it out! Today's show is brought to you by the letter R. Today we're gonna learn about the letter S. S stands for super. Can you say S with me? Oh boy, T. Hiya everybody! Look at this wonderful letter. It's the letter U, and it stands for understanding. Oh boy, here it is, the magnificent letter V. We did it, folks! Look, everybody, it's the letter of the day, the letter W. Isn't that swell? And this, boys and girls, is the letter X. Well, hot dog, welcome, everybody. We're here today to talk about the letter Y. And why, you ask, is the letter Y so great? And there you have it, the letter Z. We've learned the whole alphabet from A to Z. See you real soon.